What is up, people? Mr. Fallior here, bringing you another video. So today is Monday, September 2nd, 2019. Not too much of a change for us in Florida. It was predicted to go past us at 140 miles an hour on Wednesday, 8 a.m. It is now predicted to be 130 miles an hour Wednesday, 8 p.m. Tuesday, 8 a.m. Now it's predicted Tuesday, 8 p.m. At 30 miles per hour instead of 140. But the interesting thing is it pretty much completely stopped in the Bahamas for a little bit. They were saying it was going 100. It was going 0 miles per hour at one point. Now they're saying it's currently going 1 mile per hour. So this thing is just slugging along, as you can see, 1 mile per hour at 8 a.m. 1 mile per hour, 5 a.m. Okay? So this is the 10 a.m. is when it starts going north very slowly at 1 mile per hour. But then it stops going north for a little bit at 11 a.m. And then 12 p.m., which is now, it went west but not north. So they're still expecting it to go north, but that's a little bit, it's going weird, you know what I mean? I think that's the one I clicked on. Yeah. So the next update is around 8 p.m. and it's not gonna move much at all by then. But they are still expecting it to go north and just go past Florida, only have the outer bands touch Florida at all, the East Coast, and just go up north. That's what they're expecting. We still don't know if that's exactly what's going to happen, because they still said the line of the unknown, or whatever they call it, it could still go right through Florida. It's possible. They just don't know for sure. But that's the projected path right now. Again, thanks to the Weather Channel for this information and everything else. But yeah, and if you didn't know, the areas that it went over in the Bahamas, even the areas that it didn't directly go over, a lot has been destroyed now. So I just hope that the people that are there can somehow find a way to get through this. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.